Hello again. What about threats? What do you think of threats? What do you think of facelift? Do I need threats or facelift? Which is better? Which will fit more my face more? Do I do the facelifts? Yes. Do I do the mid facelifts? Yes. Do you use threats? Yes. Which is better? No is better than other. It has both or all has advantages and some disadvantages. What are the advantages of facelift? Yeah, facelift is the greatest option and our biggest weapon that we can take your time back. But it will put some scars, it will put big swellings, big bruises, and you will need at least 3 weeks to return to your normal life because it will have too much edema. If you say, I want the most powerful one and I have enough time to recover, then the facelift is the best option. But if you say, okay, I want to be better and I want to be lifted, but I don't have that much time and I don't want big complicated things, I don't want too much edema, I don't want to look like that I have an accident, I want simpler things, but I want some improvements, then threads are the best options for you. In threads, we don't put any cuts to the face, just lift the face, go up by entering our starting points will be the temporal region here and the lifting up to that position, and also for jawline, making the jawline in a back position, and for the chin also, for the double chin, it will go up. Will you do it with permanent things or can we do it with dissolving threads? I always want to do it with permanent things. Why? Because if a thread dissolves easily, then it will make the lifting process much less efficient. Pardon me, not much, less efficient. Why? Why is that? Because it cannot support the tissues at enough time that some fibrotic tissues can take the instance. Okay? But in permanent things, the tissues of our body covers the threads by fibrotic cells which will hide the permanent sutures or permanent threads in tissues, but also will lift your face with your own tissues. That's the point. It will be something also organic because the body will cover it, but you will have a permanent support. Is a permanent support important? Yes, because we don't have any weapons against gravity. We have some ligaments in our face, but as you know, they're not strong enough, so our face goes down. If you will have a permanent support in your face, it will also slow down your getting elder period, and also it will slow down the sagging of your face. So it's an advantage also. What is the disadvantage? Of course, we cannot make the skin more tightened because we will not do skin incisions. So it will not be as powerful as facelift, but the cool down time, the time that you will need to return your normal life will be much more faster than facelift. In facelift, if you need 3 weeks, in threads, you will need 3 to 5 days. If in facelift, you will have 80% improvements, you will have 60% improvements in threads. But you will need less time and you don't have to stay out of your social life for weeks. Okay, that's the important thing. Can it be done? Can the threads be done under the local anesthesia? Yes, it can be done. Can it be done under general anesthesia? Yes, if you're afraid of local things, we can do it under general anesthesia. And also, can it be combined with other things? Yeah, it can be combined with bichectomy. It can be combined with double jaw liposuction and also the jawline liposuction and also fat grafting for the wall face. So it can be a part of the wall, and so it will be much more effective when combined with other things. Is it safe? Yeah, we know that it's safe to use these products in body unless you everything in the right section and you obey all the rules, then you will be safe. If you do it under local anesthesia, but if you take all the precautions for the operating theater conditions, because it has to be a sterile procedure, because you will put some permanent things there, and if everything goes on the rules, it's a very safe procedure, and you can have them for your whole life in your body without the need of an excision in your future life. We can say like that. I wish you a very healthy day, and if you have any further questions, you know all our contact ways, WhatsApp, Instagram, and the all other things, and mails. Just feel free to ask any questions you like. Best wishes. See you. Bye.